Hi, so welcome on my website anandkeja.com and thanks for visiting my website. If I am not wrong, you are facing problems like you have a website and you are looking for someone who can boost your online sales, or you are looking for a person who can boost your ranking in the Google, or you are looking for a freelancer or a freelance SEO services. That's why you are on the website. And the bonus problem is that this is the worst one and the weird, but you have a very bad experiences in the past from some SEOs, and now you are looking for someone who can boost, who you can trust, and who can give you the quality leads from the Google. If these are your problems, then you are on the right page. Hi, my name is Anand Kumar Jha and I am a SEO expert with more than 7 years of experience. If you want to grow, then you should hire me. Why? Because I have worked with 7+ countries small businesses, and I have contributed in the success stories of more than 50 small businesses, and I have experience of working with every niche from travel to plumbing, and I have worked with small business owners of USA, UK, Canada, Dubai, Netherlands, and some European countries. So if you are looking for someone who can help you in your website SEO, then you should contact me right now to know how I can help you to grow your website in Google. So you have 3 ways to contact me. You can contact me via request a callback, or you can contact me through WhatsApp, a number giving on the website, or you can contact me through contact form. So you can contact me in this way. But before you go from my website, let me tell you one thing. 6 months ago, I have a prospect named Robson, and one more. Another one who come to my website, interacted to me, asked me some questions, and I don't know what he has some doubts like SEO, because he has some very bad experiences in the past. So I approached him, I answered him all questions regarding SEO, but he didn't trust me, and he told me that I will contact you after few months. And the second one who has contacted me from Amsterdam, named Robson, he contacted me. He asked the same questions like he has the other one asked me, and he has lots of questions because he's a very busy person and he needs someone who can handle his website SEO. I talked to him, I gave him the plan how I will improve his website SEO, and I gave him the plan, the strategy how I will grow his website through SEO, and I have taken 6 months for the best result for his website, but I have delivered him the results within 3 months, and he is very happy with my results, with my work. And if you want to know, you can check out in the success story section, and you can read out his story, how I helped him in his success through SEO. So without wasting time, contact me right now so that I can help you in creating your success stories. Thanks.